All right, here is my Walmart haul. I'm sure you're experiencing the same. The cost goes up, but the counter space is decreasing of groceries. So you have less groceries for more money. It's just happening. But we're gonna go through it. This is a larger haul because last week was a smaller one. I was eating out of the fridge and the pantry and the freezer. So now we had to stock up again. So we're gonna go through all the items we got from Walmart. So let's start over here with our produce. And we got some sweet cream butter. I like salted butter. Head of lettuce. I've been making these turkey lettuce sandwiches instead of bread using lettuce. And we're also gonna have turkey lettuce wraps this week. 2 more bags of our frozen cauliflower. We always make cauliflower mash. My husband also likes to make a hash using coleslaw. So that's what this is for, along with some ground beef and other vegetables he puts in. I did get a Caesar salad kit. That's going to be a great side to go with one of the dishes this week. Brussels sprouts, I just love them so much, so I did get a bunch. Brussels sprouts, 3 avocados. They need to be set out because they're not ripe yet. Some mozzarella cheese. Was thinking about making some cloud bread maybe. Mozzarella pearls. This is for, we're still got an abundance of grape and cherry tomatoes growing in our garden, so we're going to make our favorite caprese salad. Always like to have whipped cream cheese on hand for my breakfast. An English cucumber because our garden is done growing cucumbers. So now we have to get them from the store. I always have half and half on hand. 2 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese. We also have some cilantro. And I got 1 Greek yogurt. I like to mix the peanut butter powder in there and make a good protein snack. So I really like that. 18 eggs. I'm probably gonna make a sausage hash this morning for breakfast. I've shown that in a video before. A great high protein breakfast bowl. So I'll probably do that. Some smoked salmon because we've been getting into that viral cucumber. I even have a video on that as well with the cucumber and the salmon in the mason jar. Oh, it's so good. We also picked up some, this time I went with sliced Swiss cheese. We always have some slice. That's going to go really good with my deli turkey and the head of lettuce over there. So that's going to be tasty. Having more and more almond milk lately. I've been using that in some smoothies. I've been adding that to all different things, and I'm going to try the chia pudding and add that to it. All right, other cheese. We always get our sharp cheddar cheese, a block of that. We really enjoy the avocado mayo. And then I got some heavy whipping cream for our coffee drinks as well. This is an item for my son. He likes these single American cheese. He has been making breakfast bowls himself with some hash brown potatoes that he makes. So we'll get into those over here. You'll see these are his potatoes. The gold, he likes to shred those, make his own hash browns. And so he'll be making those. Another thing that he really likes are these chicken breast tenders. They're really good. We just throw them in the air fryer a couple minutes and they come out really crispy and delicious. Just had to pick up some paper plates, and this is something new I'm gonna try. These are Cornish hens. They're frozen, and it says great for the grill. But that's not how I'm gonna use them. I'm actually gonna put these in the air fryer. I'm gonna rotisserie them in my Pampered Chef air fryer and see how they come out, because you could put a whole chicken in there. So I was thinking, what about 2 little Cornish hens? So we'll try that out. Here is the Jimmy Dean regular sausage, is what my son likes to use for his breakfast bowls. This is the ground beef I mentioned for where my husband likes to make his hash with the coleslaw. For us as a family, ground turkey, because I'm going to be making the Asian lettuce wrap. So our head of lettuce will also be used for that, but we really like Asian lettuce wraps. I'll be using that. Here's some condiments we like to always have on hand. Taco Bell sauce, the mild sauce. We've been putting that on everything. I needed some more chicken bouillon. Didn't realize this was the smaller, like it's really a small, but that's okay. Just the small size, which we throw in everything for a little flavor. Our avocado oil, our minced garlic in a jar. And let's see, we also got some chicken breasts here. I picked up some big, thick chicken breasts. This is going to be for, I'm gonna make lemon chicken piccata. So that is going to be, I have some lemons on hand and some capers. So we're going to make a great lemon chicken piccata, and I'm going to serve it with the Caesar salad mix. That's what that kit was for. 2 packages of bacon. One is to wrap around jalapenos stuffed with cream cheese. That's what the extra block was for. And then another is for our Brussels sprouts. So that's my favorite side dish. I picked up, now we don't use Keurigs, but I just bought something new from Pampered Chef. I bought their new coffee maker. Oh my gosh. And it takes all the K-cups and the Nespresso pods. So I just got this to be able to use that coffee maker and try it out. But for us, we usually get the beans. That's what our coffee maker uses. But I screwed up. I have done this twice now. These are the ground coffee grounds, not the beans. So we're without beans. One of my favorite places to get coffee beans is from Aldi. So I will be making a special stop there because we really do like the taste and the price. You can't beat the price. It's like $4 cheaper than any beans I see in the store. So, all right, so that is our haul. That is everything. You heard what's kind of on the menu this week. I've kind of went through that. I'm going to show you the list because I'm going to write it on my whiteboard next, and I'm going to show you how I list everything out so I keep it on the side of the fridge to remember everything we're going to eat this week and assign a day of the week so I am really prepared and know what to do each day. All right, so our meals for the week: shrimp fajitas, chicken piccata with that Caesar salad, the Cornish game hens with Brussels sprouts and bacon, turkey lettuce wraps, salmon bowls, meatballs. I have frozen meatballs and I have a can of enchilada sauce. I may just dump that all into a crock pot and let that simmer and just have that. And I thought for the side with that is some bacon stuffed jalapenos. So that sounds really good. And just some leftovers we have to eat up. I put over here on this side.
And I'm adding some breakfast and lunch ideas to keep those in mind for the week. That is everything. That is our meal plan and our grocery haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if so, please be sure to like and subscribe.